explain. No, she seems not to be feeding as much, and she's kind of not as active as the babies. And then it all grew up when she started attacking. I wasn't someone that she was quote-unquote looking at her. She was acting, looking at her head. She was using pounds. So imagine it's almost like a helicopter. So she hovered over these two young who are putting their beds down.